Have you ever noticed that some people seem to have everything, yet they have no peace, while others earn very little, yet their focus glow with contentment? In the end, where does the real difference lie? In money or in blessings? Today's story answers this very question. This is the story of Ahmed. Ahmed lived in a small town. He owned a small grocery shop. His income was not much, but it was enough to get by. He had a boy's wife and two innocent children. At night, they would all eat together. Ahmed would laugh with his children and before sleeping, thank Allah. Life was simple, but it was peaceful. But one day, Ahmed noticed that the shopkeeper across the street had bought a new car. His business was growing rapidly. A thought entered Ahmed's heart. Why should I stay behind? I can earn more too. This thought slowly began to settle deep inside him. One day, Ahmed slightly reduced the weight on the scale. No one noticed the next day. He sold items at a slightly higher price. No one questioned him. He kept comforting himself by saying, everyone does it. I am not the only one. Within just a few weeks, his income started increasing. More money began coming into the house. But strangely, his peace began to decrease. The children started falling sick again and again. His wife remained worried all the time. Ahmed could not sleep at night. He would stay awake, wondering why his heart felt so restless. One night, his younger son became severely ill. He had to rush him to the hospital. The doctor said, pray and be patient. Sitting in a corner of the hospital, Ahmed broke down. He remembered his father's words. Son, there is blessing in halal earning. In haram, there is only burden. Tears flowed, blood from Ahmed's eyes. In his heart, he said, Oh Allah, I have lost the blessing. The next morning, Ahmed went straight to his shop. He looked at the weighing scale and made a decision. He separated all the wrong items and did all adulteration and sincerely repented. Then he went to the mosque, fell into prostration, and said, O Allah, forgive me. I may earn less, but I will earn halal. At first, his income decreased. He felt afraid in his heart, but after a few days, things began to change. People started saying, there is satisfaction in buying from Ahmed's shop. He does not cheat. Customers began to increase, prayers and good wishes followed. And above all, peace returned to his home. His son recovered, his wife's smile came back. Ahmed realized that blessing is not about the amount of money. Blessing is about the pleasure of Allah. My friends, we all want to earn more. That is not wrong, but the real question is, what are we losing while earning? If there is no honesty in our income, it steals the peace of our hearts. Haram earnings may give temporary happiness, but they bring less lasting and halal earnings may be less, but they carry dignity, peace, and blessing. Today, if you feel restless despite having everything, push and reflect. Are we chasing only money? Have we lost the blessing? True success is not a big house. It is a peaceful house. True wealth is not currency notes. It is the pleasure of Allah. And where there is Allah pleasure, there is a true blessing. If you like this story and want to hear more heart-touching and meaningful stories like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. This was your own channel, Muhammad Zia Speech, where we bring faith, inspiring incidents and life-changing message. Like the video, share it with your friends, and tell us in the comments what you learned from this story. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new story and a new lesson. Until then, take care of yourself and always choose the halal